Once again, it's your girl Estella, aka Essie, and we are here farming together in Motare, Wearmouth, and Tirukuno kunochengetwa nguruwe. As you can see, we are surrounded by pigs, and we are going to know what my pigs are anochengetwa say. And say, please introduce yourself.
Okay, hi guys, how are you doing? My name is James Mtis, a youth disability from Manika Range, and I'm into pig farming. I started this project last year with only a service day, so which I started with. Then I started from there. The reason why I started this project was for me to prove that disability does not mean inability.
Yeah.
And also, it was for me, it was my wish to employ other able-bodied youths rather than for us the disabled youths to go around in the name of begging. So I decided that if I start this project, I would desist from the dependent syndrome. That's the reason why I started this project. At this place, we do got 3 types of breeds, which are the large white, the local, and the landrace. I will show you around as we go on.
Okay, that's so great and powerful, sir. Saka tudze kuti nguruwe idzi munodzichengeta sei? We've heard kuti nguruwe hadzidi kugara pakasviba, or what? Is it true? Can you tell us kuti zvinenge zvichifamba sei?
Yeah, that's true. Everything even us
true.
people, we all need to be smart.
Yeah.
So smartness, kungurwe, is one of the way to prevent that disease again.
Okay.
Also, it's that it will be smart. Though sometimes there are a period whereby these pigs, they need to go into the mud. Since they do not go to the sweat glands, especially in summer, it is recommended that they will go into the mud and swim into the mud. So sometimes they'll be as dirty as you know. So, but after that you can clean it. But it's recommended sometimes for them to go through the mud.
Okay. Saka, do we have specific weather conditions for pigs?
Actually, they can adopt temperatures and all weather conditions. But actually, during the summer, that's where you have to make sure that they drink a lot of water.
Okay.
And it's a must that water should be in the water troughs.
Okay.
That's one. But for the piglets, when it gives birth, they need heat. So you need to supplement with the light. That's the way which you provide heat for the piglets, especially for the first 1 week.
Okay.
That's the most crucial period, because if you don't do so, they might be affected by the cold weather during the night.
Okay, so ndazoti mataura zvokuti piglets. Saka nguruwe idzi dzinobereka after how long, and dzinokwanisa kubereka vana vakawanda sei?
Actually, from the day wasevhisa nguruwe yako, waona kuti iri pahiti. If you waisevhisa, it only takes you 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days, 3 hours, 3 seconds. Then it's conceive. Yeah, that's true.
Okay, saka kumandanzwa muchitaura zvepahiti, how do you do that?
Heat, it's only a way good. If you would put it by heat, sometimes you can put it just next to the to a room in the boy.
Okay.
So when you say a boat, really I'm gonna watch.
All right.
So kaisa depends on the cheetah sometimes okay. And also sometimes you have to train it. Which don't get them sign out the jail end of it. But actually, if you want to go, you can induce.
Okay.
When you say induce, there is an instrument injection you go to mobile. Then it's never hit same day.
Which is very possible.
Yeah, that's possible, and it's also helpful if you want to go for artificial insemination.
All right.
Yeah, you would just inject the semen.
Okay.
When it's on it.
Okay, so do we have specific feeds for pigs?
Yeah, that's true. Yes, we do go to note for the piglets. From day 7, that's where you start to feed. The crib feed.
All right.
For the after conceiving, you can start to feed it lactating. But however, it is also a strategy that you start to feed lactating 2 weeks before it conceives. This will give you an assurance that it is going to conceive healthy piglets. Okay. Then we go to what we say winners, which one can start to feed from day 35.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we got the pig growers, boy and so. This can only be fed to the balls and so. But for those big balls, which you'll be waiting for the market, you can start. That's when you feed growers.
Okay. So tuze kuti nguruwe idzi dzinochengetwa munzvimbo yakaita sei? Like mumwe munhu anokwanisa kunge tiri kubvunza kuti dzinochengetwa dzakaita 2 or you can put a bunch mu one place or zvinoda kuisa mu one place, zvinonzi zvichifamba sei?
Actually, it depends because pano pekuti mapiglets anenge akura eseka. Sometimes you cannot separate them, unosiya achikura ese.
All right.
Then there's also dziya dzekuti dzakumirira market. Dzinogara mumwemo.
Okay.
But pane risk yekuti for hadzi like masos haagarisani. Vantorumana to an extent yekuti inoita sustain some injuries.
Okay.
So ndosikagarisani but when uda kuti ende pahit, I think it's recommended kuti igare one.
Okay. Nazwa mchitaura zvemarket. How do you market your products?
Actually, I got my Facebook account, Jimwela Pigari. That's where you can find me. But no market some of my products.
Okay.
But actually, it's for me. Sometimes to market as my because local, and also I sell my products to some of the residents. So from there, that's where my market is mostly. But I'm looking forward to be a commercial pig farmer.
All right.
Yeah, and also I'm looking forward to introduce an artificial insemination center here in Mutare.
Okay.
And it will be the first of its kind.
Wow, I can't wait for that one. Okay, so can you tell us my projects anawanikwa munguruwe?
Nguruwe, that's where you get my pollen, bacon, and also for those who are into the traditional healers, or they want the fatty nguruwe. They use it, they believe it, zinga madimon.
Okay.
So that's also in the market with those traditional healers.
Okay.
They will come for the fat only.
Okay.
So it's also in another market that you can sell the fat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also from Pigari, we can also produce some pet feeds and dog feeds.
What advice would you give my young farmers out there or any other farmer ari kufunga kuti ndoda kutanga project yenguruwe mungavakurudzira kuti chii?
Actually, to all those farmers who want to be into piggery, I would advise them to start small with the service, the pig, with the service, the sow. It will be an advantage if you just buy it. When it comes to your pig styles, it will just consider from that means good. If it gives you a good number, for example, some of my sows they can produce up to 16 or more. Okay. But however, it is not an easy project to do. It is a capital intense. But before you start, I think we have to put God first. Amen. If you believe in God, nothing will go wrong. Amen. You assist that you make it. Then also, you have to be in love with your pigs. Stay on the ground most of the times. Check on it. You count it. You know how to count as a be a hard worker and never give up in whatever you do. Okay. The problem with us, most of the youth, is we only some of our fellow youth they only focus on the white collar jobs. But let me tell you, my friend, right now it is time for us to go the project way, especially with the situation that they are using in our country. Yeah. I think it's better for us to go the project way so that we can also assist the government to reduce the unemployment rate. For example, me, I am employing those who are able-bodied. But lately, in the previous years, it was believed that people with disabilities are there to beg. But however, we are saying now we are open for business. Okay. If my told my office that no, we are coming to market our products. We are coming to talk business, not to beg. So for youth, and also it will help us to stay away from the drugs. It will keep us busy. So let's go for the project. Piggery is a good project that pays. Though it was at the start.
Wow, viewers, I've learned a lot. I didn't know that one pig, piglets, 16, 2, 32. There's also supplements that we have learned. nekuzvipochi, cabbage, or sometimes my remains emaputi. And I really learned a lot about pigs, and I was also encouraged as a young person by Mr. Jim. And viewers, if you have not yet subscribed to our channels, please, I urge you to subscribe on YouTube, on Facebook, like and share our page, and please don't forget to share. Thank you.